trying for an over the shoulder throw, but great round. If he can turn him, he will maybe get a 2-pointer, but no success. Can turn him, he will get a 2, or he might get a 3rd. Could he? Seconds left. Let's see. No, both the wrestlers electing to stop. Who will it be? Will it be Kyrgyzstan? Yes, it will. Kyrgyzstan is the winner. Congratulations to the red corner, Hasan Kurbanovich. Zaynishov, congratulations to Zaynishov.